Let's assume, for example, that you have an actual product selling inside the marketplace section. If you want to mark an actual item as sold into the marketplace, it's going to be really easily. Now, in this specific tutorial, basically, we are not available. In our country, of course, is not eligible for help us with this specific element of the marketplace. But still, I will be showing you how to mark item as sold into the marketplace of the actual Facebook. The actual process actually is not that hard, and basically what we need to do is to show exactly directly into the actual product. So what you wanted to do, of course, is to look out for the product that you're actually changing. In my case, what I'm going to be doing here is to head back directly. I'm going to go into the upper side, and I'm going to show you just an actual quick example of an actual product that they currently have available and marked as sold. So when you open the actual marketplace, you see that you have your specific product directly inside this element, right? So I'm going to just open my actual view the items that we currently have into my actual Facebook, which in my case, it should be appearing into my marketplace. Directly here into the marketplace, I'm going to go for a search the actual product that you currently have. So and it will be displaying all of your actual products that is going to be available. So when they are appearing all as available, what I wanted to do now is to, if you want to look out for products that are already been sold for somebody else, go for filters and go for sold. Just like that, it will be appearing directly inside them. Now, if you want your own products to appear as sold, it will be appearing something like this. So you select, for example, your actual product. You go for changed or edit your actual product, and you go for availability, and you change the availability for sold, which in my case should be available and stock directly inside here. Now, something else that I did is to went directly into the facebook.com help support section and to how to click into market sold. The actual process is going to be really simple, because from the feed, I click for the marketplace, I select my product, which is into the selling section of the left menu that you can find directly into the listing. When you select your item, it should be appearing as marked as sold, that you can be showing, they're going to be showing you like this, mark as sold. And when you finished, sometimes it will be asking you to rate the actual buyer where you actually sold this specific product. Sometimes you can just tell the Facebook that you sold this somewhere else and you don't want it to rate at the moment. So as you can see, the process actually is not that hard. If you have any questions, you can let me know in the comments below, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great tools like this. Thank you so much for watching, and well, hopefully we can all see you well next time.